Imagine receiving divorce papers, feeling overwhelmed, and then setting them aside. What happens if you do not respond to those official documents? Can the court still make life-altering decisions about your future and property without your input? A default judgment in a divorce case is when a court makes a final decision on your divorce without hearing from one spouse because they failed to respond to the divorce petition within the legally required timeframe. It essentially means the court has sided with the filing spouse by default. This situation typically arises when the spouse who filed for divorce, known as the petitioner, has properly served the divorce papers to the other spouse, the respondent. If the respondent then fails to file a formal answer or make an appearance in court within the specific deadline, the court can assume they agree to everything the petitioner requested in their filing. This strips the respondent of their legal right to present their side of the story, negotiate terms, or challenge any of the requests regarding asset division, child custody, or support. To prevent a default judgment from being entered against you, it is crucial to file a formal response with the court within the deadline specified on the divorce papers you received. If a default judgment has already been entered, you may still have options. You could potentially file a motion to set aside or a motion to vacate the judgment. This typically requires demonstrating a good reason for your failure to respond, such as a genuine emergency or excusable neglect, and presenting a valid defense to the original petition. However, strict time limits apply for such motions. Understanding the concept of service of process is key here, as it ensures you were officially notified of the divorce proceedings. Each state has specific rules about what constitutes proper service. Furthermore, while states might allow for a default judgment to be set aside, the criteria for excusable neglect are often very stringent and vary significantly by jurisdiction. This is not merely a procedural formality. It is a critical legal step with profound implications for your financial future and family structure. Never ignore divorce papers. Acting quickly, understanding your legal deadlines, and consulting with a qualified attorney are absolutely essential to protect your rights, ensure your voice is heard, and strive for a fair and just outcome in your divorce process.